I don't get stuck on that. So you can see that metal hanging in there. What is up, guys? Billy Mac here for another adventure. So we're finally settled in at the home. Figure I take the opportunity to go out and do some exploring. We're gonna try some magnet fishing in a spot that's new. New to me. I haven't done it yet. We're over here on the Pawcatuck River, over at Wood River Junction area, off of King's Factory Road, which has a really cool history behind it. Apparently, back in the 60s, there was an old nuclear cleaning facility here, and there was an accident, and it actually killed somebody. I found a whole video on this whole area. I'm going to share that with you. The link to that is down below. Go and check that out. And give that guy lots of credit. That video is really cool. It's a really cool video. They turned it into a very pretty preserve. I mean, obviously, a lot of trails. Historical dam. I'm guessing that's where the old... No, maybe it's associated with the ice pond. I'm not sure. Well, no, here, Old Mill Road. So it had to be over here. Yeah. It's very interesting. Something that we're going to have to go explore someday in the near future. But it is dark. It's kind of cloudy out. We're going to just jump out and do some magnet fishing. We haven't done it in a while. Kind of go from there. Alright, so if you're from the area and you want to come check this place out, this is the name of it. Carter Preserve. Really pretty place. Yeah, this bridge has seen better days. So that water is flowing. We did get some rain today and yesterday. A lot of rocks. And either stuck to something or it's a rock. A lot of rocks. Expect it to be really rocky here because of the bridge. And you can see all the rocks right there. Kind of why I send this guy out for search and rescue. Not so bad on this side. A lot of grass. Oh, I just stuck. First find of the day. This is a threaded rod. So probably last time they did the repairs on the bridge. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna start raining. Alright, due to the rain, I'm gonna wrap the big camera up and put this in the car. So, King's Factory wasn't the best. I got one thing. I guess it's better than nothing. Oh man, I got dirt everywhere on me, don't I? Whew. But I didn't want to keep this camera out because, as many of you might remember, the camera broke, and I was gonna buy another one. But with buying a house and all this other stuff, it was cheaper for me to get this camera fixed than replace it. So most of this is going to be probably GoPro oriented. But I still got a couple more hours before it gets dark, and I want to go to one more spot that some of you have been bragging about, and I want to go see if I can find something. As some of you might know, I started doing magnet fishing for two reasons. One, for content on my channel, and two, to help the environment. It's always good to help the environment. Now, we live in an area where all our waterways is got some form of activity going on, you know, boating, kayaking, swimming, fishing, etc. If we lived out in the middle of nowhere and there was hardly anybody here, I'd leave all the metal there, let it turn back into iron ore, and that's where it came from originally, was the earth. But because we don't live in places like that, and we live here where we use the water for activities, removing the metal will prevent one more person from getting hurt, or somebody from getting scraped or whatever while swimming or kayaking, and that's kind of what I'm trying to help do. Plus, I'm sure there's stuff in here that won't ever rot away because it's not all iron. It's like, you know, aluminum or whatever. And when I started doing these videos, local people started mentioning and commenting how they're starting to do it, they're starting to get out and do all this stuff, and I praise them. I said, go out and help me clean up the environment one step at a time, do what you can, etc. Well, one of my viewers told their cousin or their nephew, I forgot what it was, that they started magnet fishing because of my videos, and I want to thank them for helping me, but also started bragging that they found a gun here at Alton Dam. And I was kind of like, what? I've been doing this for like 2 years now, and I haven't found a gun yet. So we're back here at Alton Dam. Let's see what we can find. I mean, I'm at the older part of the dam that used to go to the mill, so I'm going to do some scoping around here. Last time we were at the other part where they just redid it, and I pulled all those nails out of there. So let's see if we can find a gun. Let's be honest. I'm going to leave this camera inside. We're going to hook up the GoPro. Let's go find some stuff. Woo! Got back later than I wanted to. Had some dinner recently. Had a change. I was soaked head to toe. from all the mist and everything that was happening. So let's quickly go over our finds and wrap up this video, shall we? So most of the, for the exception of this threaded pipe here, our piece there, that was from King's factory. Everything else from this looks like some form of a tire part to all, it looks like this is a chair part, I think it is down there. All that stuff was from over there at Alton Dam area. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give this video a big old thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next adventure. Say bye, Callie. Callie, say bye bye. You're getting so big.